So this week's project is to finish out the design for your fitness website, specifically their main page on all three of the different sized screens. I want you to take what we've learned in our exercises and apply it to your design. However, I do want to emphasize the way I designed mine does not have to be the way you design yours. But there are some specific things that I am looking for. So in this video, I want to go through those specifics just to make sure you get an understanding. First off, if you want to do research, have a look at different gym and gym membership websites. I did a simple Google search and the top 3 ones are for Anytime Fitness, here's 24-hour fitness, here's Gold Gym. All of these have the same features on their website that we're designing for our website. They've got a design for their header. Inside of their header, they've got their logo. They've got some calls to action for joining things. They've got a big hero area. And then they've got these different little call outs and special features on their website. So as you scroll through, these should give you some great inspiration for how you can design and apply this to your layout. I definitely want to design for the header, hero area, individual designs for each of the different features, and then also there's a footer down here. Now, as you design it, take it one area at a time, and I would recommend finishing out the desktop first. Once you get this looking good, then simply translate it over to the different size and needs for each different one. In addition to this, I'm giving you some specific information that you can use within your site. When you download this from the class Canvas page, first note that there is a text document that has all of the text that I'm looking for. So in the header, these are the different links, and I want a button that says Join Now. In the hero section, I'm going to let you pick one of these marketing messages. So just use one of those for your design. And then a button. Here's the text for the 4 different feature cards that are underneath your hero area. And so all the text that goes into each one of those, as well as the 2 different call out messages. Now we built the amenities one, but here's the other one for the operating hours. And then finally at the bottom, here's all of the important links, the social media pages, as well as their contact address that can be added to the little footer area down here. Again, you can move things around, adjust sizes as needed, as long as it fits this basic structure. That's what I'm looking for. In addition to all of the text, I'm giving you the logo for your website. And so the name of it's Fit Core, and I'm giving you the logo in a variety of different color formats. You can see black, white, and kind of this reddish orange is their color. I'm also giving it to you as the Illustrator file. So if you want to take this and do something fancy with it, here's the original vector file that you can play around with too. Here are a variety of different images that you can feel free to use. Additionally, I'm cool with you finding your own images if you don't want to use any of these. There is no particular order these have to go in. You can use them, place them, and edit them however you see fit. Additionally, I want to see you use some sort of pattern within your design. Now, I'm giving you a variety of patterns that could be appropriate for your area. There's different places you can put them, and I want to see how you can use these patterns somewhere within your design as well too. Finally, I specifically want to see you use some special effects within your design, whether it be drop shadows or some of the different things you can apply to text. I want to see you use some of the special effects, as well as using some of the hugging and automatic layouts that can be applied to either your buttons, as well as your amenities or any other things that you see fit. It doesn't have to be a part of everything you do. I do understand that the automatic layouts and the hugging tends to be a little bit difficult, but I do at least want to see it used in one thing, and we did it on the amenities. And finally, as you create these, remember, design it for one. It should look and feel exactly the same as your other things, just change the sizing and placement of stuff to better accommodate. Don't simply make stuff smaller, make it accommodate that area and make sure it's nice and it's also readable. Okay, so that's it. Once you're finished with this, I do want you to save this up as a working Figma file. So you'll go up to File and you'll save a local copy. And that local copy Figma file is what you'll upload to the Canvas page. You do not have to turn in any kind of mood board or research. I'll leave all of that up to you so that you can focus on just designing out these pages. All right,